I came for this Paradigm Initiatives workshop, where I was told to facilitate the portions of litigating digital rights, using regional and sub-regional mechanisms, and also to facilitate advocacy agenda for law enforcement agents and officers. I had so much in my mind when I was coming. One of my expectations was that, we need to educate prosecutors, we need to educate law enforcement agents. Interestingly, when I came, what I'm really excited about is that I could see that these people genuinely wanted to know. They really needed the education, and that it was like an opening ground for them, and because they really gave their time to understanding. Their feedback was amazing, in the sense that there was a feedback where they raised very, very salient challenges that are happening. For instance, if I was talking about the law enforcement, they raised issues concerning funding of the law enforcement officers, especially the police. They raised issues of inadequate personnel. And that is a problem. For instance, they're telling me that we have 300,000 police officers all over Nigeria against over 200 million Nigerians that we have been talking about. That is a huge difference, and that is a huge problem that I already see. And they raise issues about Nigerians not understanding them enough and not giving them the benefit of the doubt, and that some Nigerians are already positioned to have negative thoughts towards them. And so when they were raising these issues, it became very, very important for me as a person to start seeing from their perspective that whether we like it or not, these men and women are coming from the society that we all know. And so they are a reflection, whether we like it or not, of our society.